Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to apply list view in a drag and drop list view using the handle widget, right? And in case you missed previous discussion about how to add images in the Kanban view, please check link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo 1718 development tutorial. Right now we are working on this playlist. If you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist, and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright, let's back to our main topic, guys. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot. Plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. Let's say here I'm going to the list view, right? And here you can see I'm not able to, let's say this third number ID I want to drag and drop to the first row, right? How I can do it? So it's very simple, right? You can go to here, custom add-ons, student, models.py file, right? Last time we added this student image. Now we can add one more image, which is the sequence. Well, you can add any name, that is fine, but I'm using here sequence, fields, and integer should be the type. Okay, like this. After this field we need to add in the list view. So for example, if I'm going to here, extend this list view, and before this ID I'm going to add here that sequence, right? That's it. After, we must have to upgrade the module. By the way, this is the integer field, right? So by default we need to add a default value, right? So let's say 10. Let me upgrade the module. So for that I'm using here -u student. Guys, if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm like this way, please check editor level playlist. I already explained everything. Now you can see before the refresh the screen, you can see the ID, right? The first column. Now after the refresh the screen, you can see the sequence is available, right? With the default value is 10, right? But still this part is not drag and drop, right? We cannot do it easily. So here there is one option is available in the list level, right? In the field level, I mean, which is the widget. So we can use here widget equal to handle. Basically widget is nothing but it's represent the data or having some small operations to the particular view, right? So on that case we can use the different widgets. So this is the one of the widget we are trying to use. Using this handle widget you can see the result. Okay, now you can see like this and refresh the screen. Okay, now you can see instead of that sequence, right, it's invisible, and here you can see this one, right? If I will drag and drop like this, see, I can do it easily. Okay, like this. So what does that mean, right? Let's see that change in the form view. Oh, let's say here we can use without widget handle, right? Now you can see. Let me refresh one more time. Guys, remember by default value was 10, right? Now you can see there is something different you can see here. So you can see this is the sequence, right? And this is the also sequence, but what happened is this ID I have drag and drop to this top, right? So due to that you can see like this way. But let's say if I will drag and drop this one to here, right, you can see it will automatically change the value. You can see the whole the record itself is displayed like this. Once I will refresh the screen, right, you can see this is the change, right? Now one more thing is, in case you applied any order by, right, in this backend side or in the list view here, order by, then it will follow only those order bys. So for example here we didn't add any order by, so what I'm doing is, like, I will use here order equal to sequence. That's it. And after, in case, right? So in case if you drag and drop here but still the result is not coming, right? Like it won't be display this one in the this row is not display here, but it's again reset to any other position, right? So it's best. First thing is you can just check the order by in this model level or model by in the list level. If it is there, so you have to just change that order by and it will work fine, right? So what is the main purpose of this drag and drop option is, let's say you want to change the sequence right from here to here. So here the thing is, this is the many to one field is we are using in other model, right? So by default it will show the first row, right? So let's say you don't want to use this Weblearns 3 as a first row, then just you can drag and drop or just change the sequence of this Weblearns this row, and it will automatically adjust into this many to one field or in the tree view also. Okay, so that is the main purpose of this widget handle, right? So like this way it will work. If you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session.